bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, fears. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesi Ota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyesi Ota. I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Solution to Women Problems, Healing Power of Honey. You can get all these books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. If you are within Nigeria, we can send the books to you through courier services. If you can pay, we can send the hard copies to you. But if you are in other countries, we can send the book to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmails. Don't forget, African Power Part 2 is on the way. By the special grace of God, it will be released before Christmas this year, 2021. By the special grace of God, African Power Part 2 will be released. Today, I want to teach you how you can overcome bad dreams and spiritual husband or spiritual wife. I have taught you before, but some people are still calling me, Baba, the video you did on spiritual husband, I didn't see it again. I didn't see it again. It's because of those people that I want to still mention it today. Many people are calling me. Even a lady sent something to me. She sent money to me. I said, what do you want to buy? She has bought my books, but she just sent that money because of spiritual husband that I taught them, and it worked very well for her. She said she has carried sacrifice load to Johnson's. Still, on many occasions, she has gone to bath in the river. She has done many things. But when I taught them, just small things, she said it worked for her. Many people are telling us, I told you about safety pin. You can use only a safety pin if you're a pregnant woman, so that bad children, amaburuku, all this Obanje and Miri, they will not enter the womb of the pregnant woman. Go and check my book. It's in African Power Part 1. Yes, African Power. Today, see what I am saying. If you always have bad dreams, some people cannot sleep in the night. They can. When they sleep, they will fear. They will fear because they will be climbing, see themselves in the hole, in the toilet, climbing up and down on the mountain, flying down. All those bad dreams. If you have spiritual husband, it will affect your wife. Yes, if you have spiritual husband, you are married. If you have spiritual husband, it will affect your family. It will affect your wife. Because it will affect your... If you are a woman, you have spiritual husband, it will affect your husband. That's what I'm trying to say. If you are a man, you are having spiritual wife, it will have adverse effect on your wife. Because spiritual husband and spiritual wife, they are more jealous than human beings like us. They are more jealous. If you are a lady, you are looking for husband. Once you are having bad dreams, you have spiritual husband, you can never marry you unless you cure that bad dreams of spiritual husband. Because anytime when you are sleeping, you will see that spiritual man to come and meet you. If you are a boy or man, you are looking for wife. If you have spiritual wife, that spiritual wife will not allow you to settle down. Yes, ask from elders. They will tell you. spiritual wife, spiritual husband, they are very dangerous. Yes, if you have them, you better use what you can use to stop them. You are looking for promotion in the office. Once you are having bad sex in the dream, you will not get it. You are looking for job. You want to travel. You want to collect papers. Spiritual husband or spiritual wife will not allow you to get it. So this is stone again. Some people say they don't see flintstone, akukuta. I'm now using this medium to tell you, when you see just small white stone, you can use it. By the special grace of God, it will work for you. Small white stone. See, small white stone. You get a bottle. I'm not talking of plastic. You don't use plastic. Plastic, the work of plastic is different from the work of bottle. You will get a stone, white stone. You get a white bottle. Wash the bottle thoroughly. Wash it with sponge and you can use sponge. You can use this thing they used to wash flask. Wash it very well. You can use water and soap to wash the bottle. Then the stone you want to use also, wash it. After washing the two, put the stone inside the bottle. Add water. When you add water to it, take it, put it. The second day, you will be drinking it. Just be drinking small. Just take small in the morning, drink small in the morning. Then in the night, before you sleep, by the special grace of God, after 7 days, you will not observe bad dreams and this spiritual husband or spiritual wife again. Spiritual husband used to disturb people. If a businessman, when you sleep in the night, you have fun with a spiritual wife. When you go to shop the second day, you just go there to sleep. There will be no cease. If a woman, you have spiritual husband, he has met you during the night time, he had connection with you. When you go to shop, you are not going to say anything. So it's better when you observe that you are having this spiritual husband or spiritual wife. Take care of it. Stop it. You will know, because when you sleep in the night, you always says, you are a woman, you see it. You are a man, you see your bed that you wet the second day. You will know you have spiritual wife. See, when the water is finished, when you drink, after drinking the water finish, if you cannot get another stone, you can still wash the same stone. Wash it. Then wash the bottle again. Put the stone inside again. Continue drinking the water. You can be doing 3 days. You can be repeating it. Sometimes some people can prepare 2 bottles. According to that lady, she says she prepared 2 bottles. So when she finished one, she will add water again. She starts drinking another one. So when that one finishes, she will begin to take this other one. This is what I said I will tell you today. Spiritual husband, spiritual wife, bad dreams. When you are flying, you are doing this thing the night. It's not good. This is African Power Part 2. It will be released before Christmas. I put something there. River bath. What you can, one small thing that doesn't cost you more than 50 naira. You use it to take your bath at inside the river, a flowing river. A flowing river never turn back again. All your problems will go with the river. How you are going to do it is in African Power Part 2. Akoya. Yes. It's here. How to protect yourselves is in this book. Yes. This book is very loaded. Very, very loaded. When you see it, the price is more than the price of this one. I want you to bear in mind. If they give you soap that you condemn, this soap is not working as before, don't throw it away. What do we do to the soap? It's coming in African Power Part 2. It's coming. Many other things that I will not want to mention now, because some people will come and list it and give you another thing on YouTube channel. So wait for this book. They have given you soap. The soap has been working, but after some time, it stopped working. What you will do to that soap, the soap will start working again. You will see it in this book. Yes. Yes. Gbọ́sẹ̀ fún ẹ, gbogbo ọ̀sẹ̀, wọ́n ti gbọ́sẹ̀ fún ẹ kò ṣiṣẹ́, ó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ kò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. You are just taking it, you are bathing ordinarily. The soap has gone. It will start working again. Don't throw it in the bush, yo. Don't throw all this soap you put in your corner of your room. Don't throw it away. Don't dash to people. It will work again. What do we do to the soap? It's in this book. Yes. The program you are watching today is Kini Show. Kini Show Television. My phone number is on the screen. 08108431336. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. If you watch it, you will see I posted many videos there. And Mr. Lashbone Comedy Adewusi, I used to feature on that channel as well. Even if you watch it today, I loaded one video there. You will see I taught people some other things that you people don't know. When you watch Mr. Lashbone Comedy Adewusi, you will see new posting I put there. I release one information there. Mr. Lashbone Comedy Adewusi. Please click to it, subscribe to that channel. I used to feature on that channel as well. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.